Hey, I'm David from Power Probe, and I'm here with my buddy Brandon, who happens to be one of my teammates here at Power Probe. What do you do for Power Probe?
I'm customer service manager here at Power Probe.
Recently promoted?
Recently promoted, yeah. So I started as a customer service rep and got promoted earlier this year.
One of the biggest reasons that we promoted Brandon to that position is he is absolutely dedicated to customer service, and he takes really good care of customers. So besides all the other great stuff he does, it's important for us to have good customer service. What does that mean, though, in a practical sense? What do we do that's different?
We go the extra mile. We take care of our customers from the big issues to a tool not working right to even a small issue. Maybe you busted a small part. We'll help you out any way we can, and it really makes a big difference in a tech's life for sure.
So you mentioned, if a tool's not working right, a lot of times the question we get is maybe the tool is working right and the tech doesn't know how to use it. You have ASE-certified tech support people that can help with that?
We do, yeah, we do. We have actually a real technician certified. Her name's Amanda, and she helps all of our technicians with questions on how to use the tools.
So we're looking out, trying to figure out that this, to us, is the most important conversation we have all day, because we're pretty proud of our tools, but we don't know how good they are until we get a technician to test them and tell us what it's all about. So besides all that, what's going on at home? You got a couple of girls, I think?
I do, yeah. I have 3 girls, 3 daughters, 12, 10, and 7. So they're my world. I take them out on adventures every week. Yeah, have a good time for sure.
Appreciate it. If you got any questions or just want to talk to Brandon, call in our customer service line. We appreciate everything you do. Appreciate building tools for technicians and everything they help us do.